Here we go. So welcome everybody. Let's look at some stocks. We are on February 24th and it's 5 o'clock, 5:11 Eastern time. I'm practicing my English. So let's review the stocks. Let's watch some stocks. So, okay. So today was a recovery day, but as we will see, not every stock has recovered. HCHC still holding on the support. The good news is that that the stochastic is inching a little bit higher, so it's at 52%. Still not a buy yet. That's going to be a buy. I'm going to start doing this. It's going to be a buy when it goes above this and retests it to do something like that. So this is what we are looking for. AIKIDO, Pharma, big plunge yesterday. So today it's recovering a little bit. So it closed higher. But if we look at the stochastic says no, you are not going anywhere. The stochastic is also very low. So I expect this to happen. I expect it to go back to the support at some point. So it's not a buy yet in my opinion. This is not financial advice. This is just for fun. This is just me thinking out loud and sharing it and recording it. EBIT, Bitcoin ETF, not much to look at. ONTX, this one has recovered today. So it went back into its congestion zone. Will it respect the support line, which is right here? We'll see. This one is a buy if it goes above let's say 177. So this one is a buy if it goes like this and maybe does a little bounce and go back up again. So this is what we are looking for. The good news is that the stochastic is pretty high, 60%. I love it when the stochastic is above 80. When stochastic is above 80, it means that this is a strong move. So right now, it's a nice move because it's above 50%, but it could be better. RIOT, blockchain, so it broke the support. So it is in no man's land right now. Stochastic is going down. So we cannot really say what is going to happen. I could do another trend line here. So will it come down to here? I don't know. This is basically wait and see. There's a little bit of support here between these two here, between this one here and that one, and it seems to have respected this. So so nothing that we can do here for this one. Silver is pretty good. Silver is pretty good. Support at 993 seems to be holding, and silver is trading at the upper part of the channel here. So usually I don't like to buy when it's at the upper part of the channel. So I don't know what to do with that yet. I don't see a clear buy signal. Talenteer, has it recovered? No, it's still trading sideways. Stochastic is extremely low. So so this is not a buy until it goes above 30.51, and at that point it's gonna do something like this. So we are looking for something like that. I see another. So there was a short-term trend here that it broke, but then it went back down. So I don't need to draw it really. Novonyx is looking interesting. The MACD is crossing to the positive, so this is showing that the momentum is going up. Stochastic is not too bad, 57. The DMI is still showing a bullish move. It jumped here, so it jumped from 220 something here. It gapped up, and since that gap up, it trended sideways. So so I don't see it as a buy signal. So what I am expecting this to do is come touch the support and then resume back up. So that would be a buy signal when we see it resume back up. Ion, well, it was in an uptrend here. Whoops, sorry. Sorry. Okay, I'm not using my microphone, sorry. So basically it was in an uptrend, uptrend here. So the uptrend has not been broken yet. So this is the big uptrend with smaller uptrends, smaller downtrends, smaller uptrends, smaller downtrends. So basically when this comes out of this one here, when it breaks this resistance and still holds the support, this is the buy signal that we are expecting here. The bad note on this is that the MACD is crossing down, so this is not too nice, but stochastic is still okay. I see also that the DMI, Directional Movement Index, I really love the DMI. This is a nice long-term trend spotter. So the DMI is close to be in the negative. Okay, besides that, LLG, well, LLG, this is not really nice. This is ugly. So it broke the channel, the upward channel it was in, and today fell even lower. Stochastic coming down, MACD is crossing down. So this one, we won't be buying this one anytime soon. Tesla, this is what I was expecting Tesla to do. I drew this yesterday, so this is what it is doing. It's bouncing up a little bit. It was stopped by this small resistance here. So I am still expecting Tesla to go and touch this resistance and then go down. So this is a bit steeper than I thought it would be doing. So it seems to be doing this, but I'm still expecting it to come down here. I hope, because I have a put. I have a put option on it. Stochastic is at 46%. That's decent, but nothing to write your mom about. DMI pretty much negative, and MACD negative also, with no sign of crossing up again. Any Sphere 3D, this one is looking really nice actually. So it bounced on the support and today closed up higher. So if it was not for the stochastic that is very low at 35 and the MACD that is negative, I would be very tempted to buy this one. I still might buy it tomorrow morning when I look at it again, but this one is looking pretty interesting. So what would make it look better for me is if it would start going up like this, you know, for a couple of days, going sideways, but also following the support, respecting the support. I would like that. Also, I see this here. So I see this here. So this is kind of a symmetrical triangle. So basically this is making me think that once it crosses this part here, this resistance here, this should be a buy. So let me draw it. So this is a potential buy here. This is a potential buy. Can I make it green? No, I just want to make this green. Okay, I'm gonna do this. So I would see a buy here. X row, okay, X row, nice, you know, nice. It seems to be bouncing off of this support. The candle is still red, so I would have preferred a green candle. And then the stochastic is okay, it's not too bad, 68. The MACD is crossing down almost. So this is, so I think it should do this. It should do a couple of days of this and then continue this way. And then we could do something like this. So see, if we make a line with the two whisks here on the candles, we see that it's still respecting that. So another day in the green with a green candle above the support, and that will be a buy. So let me do my green thing at this point here. Bitcoin, what happened with Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin went outside of its channel and now it's going down. Seems to be stabilizing a little bit. Stochastic at 58, MACD crossing down, the DMI getting closer. So this is definitely not a buy. The last two, I'm gonna do only two. So CSCW, this is pretty nice. This is pretty nice. It is respecting the channel here, so it bounced back up. It closed higher than yesterday with a higher high and higher low also. So this is quite interesting. The stochastic is not too high, but it's really crossing here. So I'm tempted by this one. I'll look at it tomorrow morning, but I'm kind of tempted by this one. And last but not least, Nouveau Monde, which I like a lot. Nouveau Monde respected both support, the horizontal support today and the diagonal support here. So this one is a buy if it crosses this here, this resistance here. So if it does something like this. So bingo. So that's it for today. We'll see each other tomorrow. So have a good evening and good luck on the stock market.